What's up, money growers? Jacob back here with another video coming to you guys today with a really comprehensive video. This is probably the only video you're ever going to need to watch on the subject here on YouTube about Navy Federal Credit Union credit cards. They have 6 of them. We're going to go over them one by one. I'm going to break down the benefits for you. We're going to go through it as succinctly as I can. So go ahead and be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. So I'm going to make this nice and easy for you to get a good understanding of Navy Federal's credit cards, what they have to offer, and which one might be good for you. Now, let's go ahead and jump in. They have 6 cards: the Visa Signature Flagship card, the Platinum card, the nRewards Secured card. They have the More Rewards card, the Go Rewards, and the cashRewards. So the nRewards is the secured card. Everything else is unsecured. Now, we'll start off with the granddaddy of them right here. So this is the Signature Flagship card, or Visa Signature Flagship Rewards. You can just say Flagship, okay? So this is the Flagship card. I actually have this card. I did an unboxing video on this card. Now, this card is best for travel. You can maximize some good rewards on here. You do need to have very good to excellent credit. That is what's recommended. This is considered to be the hardest card that they have to get. So lots of people will start off with one of the lower cards, and they'll try to work their way up to getting the Flagship card. Now, the interest rates, 9.99% up to 18%. Annual fees, $49, okay? So this is the only card they have with an annual fee, but as you can see, it's only 49 bucks. It's really not that bad. No balance transfer fee or foreign transaction fee or cash advance fee with the card. Now, the rewards, here's the cool part. Now, you get triple the points on travel. So this could be not just an airline, but also, you of course, your flight, but also if you do Uber, Lyft, taxi, your hotel, things like that, those all get you 3 times the points. So actually right now on my phone, when I do Uber and Lyft, I have it set just to use this card, just because I get triple the points on it. And you get double points on everything else, which is cool because lots of other cards only give you 1 point on everything else, but you get 2 on this. So that's one of the reasons people love this card so much. Now, you do receive a statement credit that's good for up to $100 for global entry or TSA pre-check as well. Also, with the rewards, there's no rewards limit. The rewards don't expire, so they don't expire at all while the account is open. You can redeem them for cash, travel, gift cards, merchandise, that kind of thing. And then you do have travel assistance worldwide. You have cell phone protection, travel emergency assistance, all that kind of stuff. That's good to have with a card that's commonly catered to travelers. And then also continuing with all the Navy Federal Credit Union cards, the 24-hour, 7 days a week access to stateside member reps. You can freeze and unfreeze your card. You have 0 liability for unauthorized transactions. They'll help take care of that for you. Fraud notifications and, of course, access to your credit score. The next card we're looking at here is the Platinum, okay? Now, this card, people like this really for a specific purpose we're going to be talking about here. Now, this is the card that's best for large purchases paid off over time for a low interest rate, and you can have average to excellent credit to get this card. Now, the rates are 5.99% to 18%. People love this card for doing balance transfer. That's why they really like it. There's no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no foreign transaction fee, or cash advance fee. So what people will do is they'll take a balance transfer from another credit card, put it on this card, and they'll actually have 0% APR for 12 months. That's the big thing about this card. So basically, they can get a 0% interest loan for up to 12 months on this. And, really the best thing about the card is just the low interest rate. Okay, after that 0% for 12 months, you're going to get that 5.99 to 18%. So that's really the biggest, use for this card, okay? And also, like I've talked about before in other videos, you can get one card. So say you do get this Flagship card, and you get the sign-up bonus, which is generally you spend $3 or $4 grand in 90 days, and they'll give you $300 or $400. 30 or 40,000 points that you can cash in for $300 or $400. You can do that on this card, like the Flagship card or any of them, and then just product change to this card. So say you hit that bonus to the Flagship in 90 days, you can product change to the Platinum card, and instead of having 12 months of 0% APR, you'll have 9 months to take advantage of it. It's a good bonus to know about, huh? Now, the Platinum card continued. You have collision damage waiver, cell phone protection, the travel assistance, all that kind of stuff. Also, again, you have the 24-hour access. You can freeze, unfreeze your card. The liability, 0 liability policy, the notifications, credit score, all that good stuff you need to know about. Now, the nRewards secured card. So this is the only secured card they have of the bunch. Now, this is really good for establishing credit. If you're a new credit card user, or if you have to rebuild credit because you've had some issues in the past and that kind of thing. So the rates can go up to 18% on this card. The fee, so there's no annual fee, balance transfer fee, foreign transaction fee, or cash advance fee on this card. And you do get 1 point per dollar spent on this. So you get 1 point for dollar spent. There's no rewards limit. The points are redeemed for cash, statement, credit, gift cards, merchandise, right? You have all this kind of protection. Because you'll get this card and you have to put down at least $200 is what it is. So you can put down just $200 of your own money. And because it's secured, it is secured by your money on the card. So you're going to be spending your own money. Of course, you're going to be paying it back. And if you show you're responsible, usually after 3 months, they'll give you a increase on the card without you having to put more money in there. And then typically after 6 months, the card will graduate. 6 months to a year can graduate to an unsecured card. So if you do the things like keep utilization low, show that you're responsible with the card, and that kind of thing, then there's a really good chance you're going to get to graduate to an unsecured card, and you can continue building a great relationship with Navy Federal. Also, with the unsecured card, same as everything else, you have your fraud notifications. You have, the access to the member reps 24 hours a day, 7 days a week when it comes to credit cards. The protection from liability, freeze, unfreeze, all that good stuff. Now, Navy Federal More Rewards card. Here's the More Rewards. Some people really like this card. Now, this is best for everyday spending. That's why some people love it so much. Grocery shopping. Average to excellent credit is what is recommended for this. The interest rate can be 9.65 to about 18% on this. No annual fee, balance transfer fee, foreign transaction fee, cash advance, none of that. Okay, just like pretty much all the others. Rewards, 3 times the points at restaurants and on food delivery, 3 times the points on supermarkets, 3 times the points on gas and transit, and then 1 point on everything else with this card. So that's why people like it, because if you're just doing day-to-day spending stuff, this can be a good one for you. And then the no rewards limits, you can redeem points for travel, gift cards, and cash if you want, up to 25% off rental car purchase plus rental car loss and damage. You have entertainment access, you have roadside assistance, you can get access to tickets and things like that generally before most people can. And then also, same as all the others, the fraud notifications, the protections, all that kind of good stuff. The Go Rewards card. Okay, so best for busy lifestyle, dining out, average to excellent credits recommended for this. Interest rate 8.99% to 18%. There is no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, foreign transaction, cash advance, all that fun stuff. Okay. Now there's triple points at restaurants with this, 2 times the points on gas, and 1 point on everything else with the Go Rewards card. Now, you're going to get the same thing. There's no rewards limits when it comes to the amount of points. You can do the cash, the travel, the gift cards. They don't expire while the account is open. You have your cell phone protection. You have all the same kinds of protections with all the other cards. With the Go Rewards, as you do with all the other Navy Federal credit cards. Now, the cash rewards, here's what we're looking at. So cash rewards cards is good for the cash back, obviously, right? And everyday spending, average to excellent credit is recommended for this card. You have the 9.65 interest rate to 18%. And then same thing with the fees. Navy Federal is not too big on fees, as you can tell. That's one reason why people really love them. And you get up to 1.75 cash back on all purchases if you set up your direct deposit with them. So if you have direct deposit with Navy Federal, you can actually go ahead and take advantage of this. Now, cash rewards continued. Same thing with the rewards limits, the expiration, cell phone protection, collision damage waiver, and all that kinds of good stuff as well. And then again, all the same protection, everything that you would get with the other Navy Federal credit cards. And go ahead and subscribe, okay? So this video was one I just wanted to really cover this for you guys, give you a pretty comprehensive look at the cards that Navy Federal offers. So this can be really beneficial to a lot of you. People love Navy Federal just because they're known for giving high limits, and they're really just good for relationship banking, okay? So there's a reason they're the biggest and the most popular credit union that there is. I mean, they're the biggest by a long shot in terms of the amount of assets that they manage. So there's definitely other good ones. There's other ones that some people even think are better, but Navy Federal is definitely the most popular. So if you liked the video, if it helped you out, gave you some solid info, please subscribe because there's so much more to come on the future of this channel. I appreciate having you here. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys soon.